Hi, I'm Jackie Charlton, co-founder of Plant Chics, and for today's yoga flow practice, all you need is yourself and a mat. So let's get started. We're going to start standing at the top of the mat. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step the feet back. And let's lower all the way down to the mat. And inhale, lift up, cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, up, cobra. Exhale, lower all the way down. One more time. Inhale, up, cobra. And tuck the toes under. Bring it back for our first downward facing dog. We can walk the dog here, stretching out the calves, the back of the legs, shaking the head no, shaking the head yes. Getting a good stretch. Excellent. Press the heels down. Lift the right leg up to the ceiling. Bring the knee into the nose. And let's go ahead and step that right foot in between your hands. Bring it into a low lunge. Drop the left knee back down towards the mat and bring it up. Your hands are on those knees. Inhale, arms come up. Getting a real good stretch in your left hip flexor. Think about opening your heart. Doing a slight back bend here, looking back behind you. Good, exhale, hands come down to either side of the foot. Let's take it back to a half split. So you're going to extend the front leg and you're going to fold forward, just getting a really good stretch in your right hamstring. And just listen to your body. Listen to what feels good for your body. Pay attention to what's inside your mat. Good. Let's go ahead and tuck the back heel down. Bring it to that low lunge. Getting a good stretch in your left hip flexor. Step the right foot back. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now we get to repeat the same thing on the other side. Left leg raises up to the sky. Bring the knee in towards the nose. Step the left foot in between the hands. Low lunge. And now we're going to drop the right knee down towards the mat. Bring the hands up towards the knee, pressing forward, getting a really good stretch in your right hip flexor. Inhale, arms come up. Think about doing a small back bend, opening up, cactusing out the arms, stretching out your heart center, getting a real good stretch in that chest. Breathing here. Excellent. And go ahead and exhale. Bring your hands back down towards your knees. And let's go ahead and do that half split here. Flexing the left toes and slowly bending forward over the left leg again, getting a really nice stretch in that left hamstring. Listening to your body. Try and relax into that posture. Bring the foot down to the mat. Bring it up to that low lunge. And slowly step that left foot back down towards the mat. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Couple breaths here. And on your next exhale, you're going to step or jump your feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, upward, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, raise all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. All right. Inhale, arms come up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step the foot back. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg comes up to the sky. Step it up into the front. Inhale, warrior one. Hold it here for 2 breaths. Exhale, open it up to warrior two. Holding the warrior two for 2 breaths. And go ahead and circle your hands back. Step the right leg back, lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time, left leg comes up to the sky. Bring the knee towards the nose. Step it through to warrior one for 2 breaths. On your next exhale, you're going to open it up to warrior two. Hold it here for 2 breaths. Breathing. On your next exhale, you're going to airplane the arms down. Step the left leg back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And go ahead and step it forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, raise all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Let's add on. Inhale, arms come up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg comes up to the ceiling. Step the leg through warrior one. Hold it here. On your next exhale, you're going to open it up, warrior two. Hold it here. On your next inhale, you're going to reverse the warrior. Hold. And on the next inhale, you're going to bring it up to a high lunge. Hold it here. Excellent. Your next exhale, bring the hands down to the mat. Step the leg back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Same thing, other leg. Inhale, left leg comes up. Step it through, warrior one. On your next exhale, open it up, warrior two. On the next inhale, you're going to reverse the warrior. Hold and breathe. Then on your next inhale, you're going to bring it up to a high lunge. Hold here for a breath. Excellent. On your next exhale, you're going to drop your hands down towards the mat. Step the left leg back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. On the next exhale, you're going to step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Let's add on again. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts up to the ceiling. Step it forward. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, open up warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And bring it to a high lunge. This time you're going to drop the right arm back down behind you on your next exhale. Hold it here. This is tricky with the balance. And now on the next exhale, you're going to drop that right arm down towards the left hamstring. Reverse, reverse. Hold here for one more breath. It's tricky, I know. Circle the arms down, step the right leg back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Same thing, other side. Left leg lifts up. Bring the step of the leg through, warrior one. You got this. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Inhale, bring it to a high lunge, facing forward. On your next exhale, you're going to drop the left arm down behind you. Hold it here. And on the next exhale, the left arm comes down towards the right hamstring. Reverse, reverse. Really good stretch in that hip flexor. Your next exhale, you're going to airplane the arms down. Step the left leg back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Well done. On your next exhale, you are going to step your feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Excellent. Chair pose. Inhale, arms come up. Hold it here for a breath. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, right leg lifts up to the sky. Bring the knee in towards the nose, and we are going to bring that right leg down to a pigeon. And this, my friends, is such a good stretch for those hips. And now you're going to fold forward, listen to your body. We're going to sit here in this posture for a little bit, for about 7 breaths. If this feels comfortable for you, you can walk your hands out a little bit more. You listen to your body here, and you should feel a really good stretch on your right glutes and your hips. Making sure you're breathing, relaxing into that stretch. Go ahead, slowly walk your hands back up. From here, you're going to bring that left leg, circle it around. So the left leg is extended out in front of you, Jani Shirsasana. Right foot is bent in towards the left leg. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward. So you bend as far forward as your body allows. Think about pressing your knee down towards that mat. We're going to hold this for a couple more breaths. Relaxing into that stretch. Good, go ahead and release. From here, you can do a vinyasa, crossing those legs back, stepping the legs through chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yes. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Left leg comes up to the sky. Bring the knee to the nose, squeezing those abs. And now go ahead and bring that left knee down towards your left elbow or your left wrist. Extending the right leg back behind you, pushing up, looking up to the sky, and then exhale, slowly walk those hands out in front of you. Again, listening to your body, seeing what stretch feels the best for you in this posture. Breathing, relaxing into this move. After you're done with this workout, don't forget to get your sweaty selfie, take a picture, post it on social media, tag us, tag the Plant Chics, hashtag fiber fueled. Let's go ahead and slowly walk those hands back in towards those legs. This time, right leg is going to swing around and extend that right leg straight out in front of you. Again, think about pressing your right knee down towards the mat. Left leg is bent in towards you. And exhale as you fold forward, Jani Shirsasana. Getting a real good stretch in your right hamstring, also in that lower back. Really relaxing into that stretch. Relaxing into the posture. Good. Inhale, arms come up. And let's go ahead and vinyasa. And go ahead and jump those feet back. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And you're going to step or jump it through to a seated position. This time, rolling it all the way down. We're going to do a couple bridges. So feet are about hip width apart. And you're going to squeeze. As you exhale, you're squeezing your glutes up. This is your bridge. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, you clasp your hands underneath your back, getting a nice shoulder stretch in here. And you hold this for 5 breaths. Go ahead and release. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. You're going to squeeze it right back up. Another bridge, 5 breaths. We're going to do this a total of 3 times. If you have a full wheel in your practice, you can take the last one as your full wheel. If not, you repeat this bridge one more time. Go ahead and release. And inhale, take a deep breath in, and exhale, press up to your full wheel, or you're repeating that bridge. And again, we hold this for 5 breaths. Really relaxing into that stretch. It's a really good chest opener. Good. Go ahead and release it down. Pull the knees into your chest, massaging that lower back in towards the mat. Excellent. And my favorite posture, Savasana, or corpse pose. Extending the legs, opening the arms, relaxing them to the mat. Honoring your body, honoring what you've done for yourself today. Knowing that you can always take 15, 20 minutes out of your day to do something good for yourself, good for your body. Getting in a little bit of movement every day is so important for our mental well-being and for our physical well-being. So proud of you for doing this today, for honoring yourself. Go ahead and start moving your toes, your fingers. Bring your awareness back to you and to your mat. Bend your knees, pull your knees into your chest. Go ahead and drop your knees over to the right side of your body. Lay here in fetal position for just a second. And when you're ready, you can press it up to a seating position. No rush. Sit in a comfortable position. Bring your hands to prayer heart center. The light in me honors and sees the light in each and every one of you. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with us today, and we will see you on social.